Let's face it, graphs can be just as confusing as data tables. All these numbers and labels and weird words and stuff. Oh my goodness.
But let's not panic just yet. Here's a handy tool to get you through the worst of it, and it's called Math is Fun, Make a Bar Graph. It's made just for kids like you.
Let's start with our friend the bar graph. We have a table here that tells the story of our data. Notice the independent variable and dependent variable, or the cause and effect, are in the title. This data table also tells us the average for all 3 trials. So if you look at the heavy ball, the average is 1.4 seconds. That's how long it took for the ball to reach the ground. For the light ball, the average was 2.1 seconds. So according to this data, it took the light ball longer to hit the ground. Now that we know the story of our data table, we can make a bar graph to compare the control group to the experimental group. Just go to mathisfun.com, type in the title and watch it appear. Type in your x-axis label and watch it appear. Same with the y. Type in your values and watch them create your bars. Type in your labels to label your bars. Notice that the values need a comma between the value of the yellow bar, which is 1.4, and the value of the red bar, which is 2.1. Also, put a comma between the labels. When your graph is done, take a screenshot so you have it in your camera roll. This year in science class, we're mostly going to make bar graphs. That's because we're usually comparing our control group to our experimental group, and the purpose of a bar graph is to compare 2 things to each other. However, you can make any kind of graph using this website, and it's easy to use. So, enjoy!